Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss what if we are having a Revit file saved on SCC platform, centralized Revit file I'm talking about, and I want to open that Revit file via Revit to work. How we can open that one? So let's start. I just opened my Revit session, and right here in the registration, you'll be able to see Autodesk Docs option. I'll click on that one. If it is a central file, all the project's access for this particular Revit version. So right now I'm working in Revit 2026, and inside that Revit 2026, if I'll click on Autodesk Docs, all the projects on ACC for which I'm having the access, and those projects are on Revit 2026 will be visible right here. So I'm having these two projects which are on 2026 and I'm having those two projects access. Right now we are talking about project 01. So I'll click on project 01 and inside that one, I'll click on project files to go on my specific path where my file is saved. I'll click on WIP right here and inside the WIP, I'll go for MAP folder as we have discussed where our Revit file. I think I did not show you where my road file is placed on cloud platform, right? So let me show you that one. I'll go in my cloud platform. This is my ACC platform actually. And right here, you'll see inside the MAP folder, we are having this Revit 01 file. If I'll click on this one, I can see the RAR file in the cloud as well. So let it load and then we'll see how it will look like and we'll open the same file in Revit as well. But I can't edit or I can't modify any of the elements right here on the cloud platform. To modify any of the elements, I have to open the Revit file via Revit only. But some of the our stakeholders or the clients do not know about Revit or they just want to visualize what's going on inside the project. So for them, the cloud platform is the best way to open the Revit file. So right now we are having a duct, pipe, and a tree. I'm not going with this particular session right now because it's a different topic. Right now, purpose is to how to open the Revit file. So let me minimize this one. This is my Revit file. Please cross-check the Revit file path. This is our project. Inside that one, we had gone for project files, WIP, MEP, and I'll click on this particular Revit file right here. It'll take some of couple of seconds and couple of minutes probably to open the Revit file based on the Revit file size, and then we'll proceed further to see the details what's going on at the backend side. So right now it's opening the model, but inside that one, it's downloading my host model, means the main model, and also it's loading the elements of the same Revit file. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. Probably it'll take a couple of time more than that if we are having the links files as well inside the Revit. Because as it's downloading the host project right now, if we are having the local, sorry, not the local, the linked files inside your project, it'll download those link files as well. So it depends how many links you are having and what is the file size for those link files. But in this case, fortunately, we are not having any of the link files. So this file will be opened soon. So let's see how much time it'll take. I guess it's done. Yeah. So mhm. Yeah, right here as well, we'll be able to see this is my duct, pipe, and tray right here. And if I'll go for 3D view, I can see the same one as well. Yeah. Let me do something. Let me delete this part from right here and let me save. So how we'll save this file in the cloud? So for that one, I'll click on Collaborate tab right here, click on Synchronize with Central and click on OK. Now it is syncing. It means this update or this edit that I did, if someone is also opening the same Revit file in his system via Revit, when he'll reload or he'll sync after my sync, then he'll be able to see the changes. But it will not be updated on ACC. Let's see, will it be updated on ACC or not. So I'll go on my ACC platform again. Let me refresh this option right here. Let's see if the change reflects right here. Right now, we do not see any change that we did in Revit, but let's cross verify that one. And why it will not show the change? The reason behind that, we just synchronized the model. We did not publish the model. Okay. And you will see right here, this cable tray is still right here. But why it's still right here, we'll see about this one in upcoming videos. Thanks for guys watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.